Some kind of troll or something? What? And ruin all this frustration?
This is not amused, you. How do you say? Ducks?
Robot bounty hunter.
What are you? Some kind of troll or something? What? And ruin all this frustration?
Walt has had enough of your flapdoodle, Elder One! Prepare yourself for a merciless... This is not amused, you. How do you say? Ducks?
What? And ruin all this frustration?
Walt has had enough of your flapdoodle.
What are you? Some kind of troll or something?
Say the magic word. This is not amused, you.
What? And ruin all this frustration? What are you? Some kind of troll or something? I ain't touching What that. Are you? Some kind of troll or
This
something?
is not amused, you. How do you say? Ducks?
Robot bounty hunter.
Crazy? Everybody now! I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small. All that hard work. This is not amused, you. How do you say? Ducks? Crazy? Everybody now!
What? And ruin all this frustration? I ain't touching that.
All that hard
What are you? Some kind of troll or something? I ain't touching that.
had enough of your flapdoodle, Elder One.
我々京都のすぐの総物はすぐの総物は
You're a dork.
Listen to me, Mr. Skyler here too! I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small. Say the magic word. This is not amused, you. How do you say? Ducks? Yeehaw!
What are you? Some kind of troll or something? I ain't touching that.
This is not amused, you. How do you say?
and ruin all this frustration?
All that hard work.
What? And ruin all this frustration? What? And ruin all this frustration? And you kiss your mother with that mouth? I ain't touching that.
Crazy! Everybody now! All that hard work. All that hard work.
I ain't touching that.
Say the magic word.
What are you? Some... And you kiss your mother with that mouth?
Crazy! Everybody now!
What? And ruin all this frustration? What? And ruin all this frustration?